Hello everyone, I'm Sevati Sheyla. Today I would like to presentation about how to tell a story. What I would like to discuss about, wait. The first one is about explain 511H related to the article, and then the second one is my personal thought of this article. Next slide. And now I'm gonna talk about 501H. The first one is what? What story should I tell? Regardless of the genre, whether it's fiction or non-fiction or poetry, everyone has a unique story. Sometimes it's easy to figure out the right story to tell, but other times it can be more challenging and overwhelming. And many writers have enough story ideas to last a lifetime. However, some writers tend to relive and retell childhood stories, which serve as platform for their work, because those accounts are often filled with pain, joy, or unanswered questions. The second one is when. When is storytelling skill needed? Storytelling can be used when we build stronger connection with other people. For example, when you want to promote a clothing product, you can try making a series of stories about a father who is willing to save money to buy clothes for his child, and so on. And then where our storytelling skills are usually used. Storytelling skills can be used anywhere and anytime. For example, if we interview a research person, become an MC at an event such as weddings, graduations, birthdays, and others, then storytelling skills are needed. And then who is listening our storytelling? To make sure you know who the audience is. Are you talking to friends, strangers, colleagues, and a large mixed group? Seek out something that connects you, because you are the one constant, whatever the situation. It's your story, so to figure it out, what is right for which group, you need to identify your own relationship to the audience. That might be something as simple as sharing a story of your childhood when facing an audience of children. And then why? Why storytelling is important? There are many reasons to tell stories: to sell, to entertain, to educate, or to brag, depending on what situation we face. Storytelling is needed for everyday life. Storytelling can be useful for increasing intelligence, because someone will try to understand the story that will be conveyed, so that it will indirectly sharpen the brain to think. And then the last one is how. How do we get the audience interested in our story? With these few ways, we can attract the attention of the audience to listen to our story. The first one is win them over easily by making yourself likable or vulnerable with humor, or by sharing something personal. And then the second one is stoke their curiosity by posing a question that you will ultimately answer in your talk. And then I would like to talk about my personal thought. Oh wait, in my opinion, storytelling has its own uses, or you could say there are many types. It's just a matter of how we convey the content of our story so that it looks interesting in front of the audience. From my experience, storytelling, it's not easy. We must have the material to be presented, and we must be able to build an atmosphere so that the audience is focused on the material we are representing. The content of the material must also be useful so that audience can uh, benefit from the stories we bring. So yeah, I think that's enough from me about 5W1H and the personal thought of this article. Thank you.